Okay, now we're going to start our nunchucks. There are several other videos out there that you can check out, so I highly encourage you to actually go through and actually, if you're trying to practice nunchucks, and especially if you're doing competitions, go onto YouTube, go onto Expert Village, sort through it all to find out some of the best techniques that are more comfortable for you. Today we're actually going to talk about some of the very, very basics if you're just getting started into the nunchucks and what you need to know as far as purchasing nunchucks and safety and everything else. Now obviously with the nunchucks, they do make foam nunchucks. If you're starting out, you don't want to smack yourself too many times, but in a way, getting struck and everything like that actually teaches you very quickly how to manipulate the nunchucks to go exactly where you want them to go. So again, safety is very key. Go through, research a lot, study a lot of different material, and find out what's going to work best for you. First of all, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take these pair of nunchucks and show you something that you don't, when you're purchasing nunchucks, to actually take and make sure that the chain is going to meet just about evenly across your hand for some of the techniques that we're doing. If they're actually too short, you're not going to be able to actually do some of the techniques that you see in some of the competitions. If they're too long, it's really going to mess you up. So I would suggest finding some nunchucks that will just hang over your hand, if not evenly over your hand. So that way, when you're practicing with your nunchucks, safety-wise, you'll be able to have a good judge of distance that is measured according to your hand. So there you go, that's just the very beginning of safety for training with nunchucks.